It's really early in the morning. This is my umpteenth time trying to find otters. Let's see if I'm lucky. Started my drive seeing deer, and here is the place where I go to look. So nothing here, no otters here. Oh, but what's this? Oh, it's a muskrat. Yep, no otters, but this guy's really cute anyway. No otters, but a beautiful sunrise. Okay, so no otters again, but look at how beautiful this place is. Little cute squirrel and a chipmunk and some more squirrels. And as I was leaving, I saw this deer and her baby. Bye guys. At another spot, saw some night herons and little bottoms up mallard ducks. Oh, what's that? Slow-mo. It's a double-breasted cormorant. Ended up getting this cool shot of him basically walking on water. And some swans and teenage swans. On my way back, saw a red-tailed hawk. And towards the end of the day, I saw this awesome great blue heron and another cormorant. Even though I got to see no otters, I got to add another lifer to my list, a belted kingfisher. So excited for this one. Oh my god. My name is Brianna Goberson. Follow me more to nerd out about nature.